Oh, that's us.
At 5:35 p.m., a severe
What is your
thunderstorm
problem?
was located.
Oh yeah, I moved the radios.
Moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Alright, let me fix this.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leaf Summit, Grandview, Belton, Raymore, Pleasant, Hill, Greenwood, Peculiar, and Lake Winnebago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6
I think I'll have to
p.m. for the following
switch
counties:
the G-Storm
Missouri,
possibly with
Cass,
that.
and Jackson. The current time is
Yeah, the G-Storm has a problem up there.
5:37 p.m. Central Daylight.
Alright.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cass County until 6:30 p.m.
Just Cass.
Miles per hour wind gusts. This is
What are you doing?
vehicles.
He binged the entire thing.
Damage to roofs.
Him not have a wife? It's pretty good. I was like, come to bed.
Sam, would you agree with that? I am on episode 2. I think that it's pretty stinky.
It's good. He
Now,
will
of
be
course-
so bored when the house is done.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cass, Missouri.
Just Cass. Oh my.
The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cass County, northeastern Bates County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Garden City, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
Dang, that's bad.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisonville, Butler, Adrian, Garden City, Archie, Passaic, and Ballard.
Archie.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Bates, and Cass. The National
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cass County, southwestern Henry County, northeastern Bates County until 7:30 p.m.
Cass is getting hit with all the
6:41
storms.
p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Garden City, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters.
I need to check
The
the
following
mobile.
impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage
Why is
to
it
roofs,
always Cass
siding,
County?
and trees. Locations impacted include Butler, Adrian, Archie, Creighton, Passaic, and Ballard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Bates, Cass, and Henry. service has... Thunderstorm warning for eastern Henry County, south central Johnson County, Missouri, until 8:15 p.m.
Finally, something other than Cass County.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Chilhowie, or 11 miles north of Clinton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Leeton, Calhoun, Chilhowie, Cole, Brownington, Tightwad, Post Oak, and Truman Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Henry and Johnson. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, KID 77 in Kansas City. Severe weather is occurring in the listening area. Stay tuned for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 7:37.